What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Small Feet Big Heat. I told you guys that I will be doing an unboxing for you as soon as these kicks hit my doorstep, and they have finally arrived. I'm sure that you all know by now what is in this box. I've done several videos about this shoe, and by the way you guys, I saw the watch time on those videos. Thank you for showing a small YouTuber some love. Smash that like button right now and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the future daily content for the month of August. But enough of that said, we've got the FTP box cutter on deck, my new box cutter. If you didn't see me unbox this, I'll put a card up here in the video that I unboxed this in or unbagged it in, because it did come in a bag. But let's get into these shoes because I'm sure that's why you're all here. Pro tip, always cut away from yourself. And there it is, the Jordan 1 box. As you can see, I picked up this shoe in a woman's 7.5. I'll let that focus. USA 7.5. And it is the woman's Air Jordan 1 High OG. There you go, get a good look at that. It has the QR code actually. So let's open these together. Alright, the tissue paper is a little ripped, but we're not here for tissue paper anyway, so. And there they go. Wow, off rip, I can tell you guys, the satin on these joints make it pop real different. Let me take one out the box just so that I can give you guys my first impression. You definitely got that immediate, strong Air Jordan 1 glue smell when you take it out the box, but that smell is like having a new car. You get used to it, you look forward to it as a sneakerhead. That's just that brand new sneaker smell, and I can't tell you how excited I am to have these. This is the most excited I think I've been over a new release this year. I've definitely copped some older shoes this year that I've been wanting, that I was excited about, but as far as new releases go, the Satin is one that I am really happy to have picked up, especially for retail, because these are going for some crazy prices. Let's actually do a StockX update because my resale predictions video, you guys really seem to like that, so let's check where these are on StockX right now. I want to see if it's trending in the way that I thought. Alright, so let's start with my size first, and that is a 7.5. The 7.5 women's satin black toe is currently going for $640, and that is continuing to trend upward. The last sale was $625, $628. There's $616, $17, $22 here, so it's just going up and up and up, which is what I predicted for all the sizes that are below the money size threshold. I told you guys in my resale predictions video that if you have a 9.5 and up, so a 9.5 to a 12, that's the biggest size these released in, that you might want to sell right away because you want to get while the getting's good, and that's the highest price that I think you're gonna get for these shoes. It's kind of stagnant around those prices. They haven't moved much since I did my resale predictions video. It's between $900 and $1,300, so definitely if you have a money size and you're looking to sell now. However, if you have a size 9 and down, you're gonna want to hold off because the prices are continuing to rise as the sales slow down. People are starting to get their pairs in hand, starting to decide whether or not they want to keep them, sell them. The sales are gonna start to slow down slowly but surely, and you'll see the price for those sizes rise. So just be patient, hold on to it if you have a size 9 and down, and you'll definitely make your money back. But that's enough of that. Let's continue with my first impressions. I was curious to see what this wings logo was made out of. I saw a couple of YouTubers say that it's metal. It's definitely not metal. Sorry to burst you guys' bubbles. It's not metal, but it is some type of hard plastic that they seem to have like glued to the shoe. Feels pretty sturdy. Doesn't feel like it's just gonna pop off on you, but it definitely is plastic and not metal. Also, the satin here seems to be textured, which I really like, because looking at it from here, it's noticeable that it's textured. So as it's on your foot, people are going to be able to see that there's layers to this, all right? It's not just satin, it's textured satin, okay? Nike did they went off with this one. I really like it. The materials are nothing special as far as the leather. I would consider it typical Air Jordan 1 quality, but that satin, look at the texturing in that satin. I'll put it a little closer so that you guys can see it. Hopefully you can. Look at the ribbing, pinstriping, whatever you want to call it, on that satin. It looks great. And again, this is just my first impression of the shoe. I will be coming to you guys with a full review and on foot for this pair. I'll do a couple of different pants options and also some lacing options just to show you guys the versatility, because at the end of the day, this is a black and red Air Jordan 1. Your possibilities are endless. I really like that they made the sole red. I think it gives it a little extra red because the red is only on here on this back panel. But that being said, not taking anything away from the color blocking. I really like the color blocking on this pair. Let me see if I could show you guys the texture of the leather, because you do have your textured or tumbled leather. And that is about it, guys. You will see me same time, same place tomorrow.